Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. In this episode, we're going to troubleshoot some of the most common problems in a Delta Teck II manual flushometer. This applies to both urinals and water closets, as the models are nearly identical except for the spud diameter and size. Flushometers are also known as flush valves, but function quite differently from the flush valves found in residential toilets. In a Delta Teck II, a flexible rubber diaphragm sits between the upper and lower chambers. At rest, high-pressure water in the upper chamber keeps the diaphragm closed tightly on the valve seat. When the handle is pressed, the relief valve opens and releases the water from the upper chamber. This creates a vacuum which lifts the diaphragm up from the valve seat. The water from the inlet then travels down the flush pipe. As the water flows, some of the water slowly travels through the bypass and will eventually fill the upper chamber. The flush will continue until the pressure pushes the diaphragm down once again. Continuous flushing can happen when the upper chamber does not fill with water. Either the bypass isn't letting in enough water or the relief valve isn't closing properly. Another cause can be the diaphragm. If it's stuck open, then the water will flow endlessly during a flush. Open the bypass by turning the regulating screw counterclockwise and check for buildup of debris or sediment, which might be clogging the bypass. You can watch the video linked below to see this in detail. Both the relief valve and handle can be replaced if damaged or stuck. You can watch this in the video linked below. If there's an excessive amount of water coming out during each flush, then first check the inlet stop. Close the inlet stop valve all the way, then open it one complete turn. Check the position of the regulating screw and make sure that there are no obstructions. You can watch this in the video linked below. If there is not enough water to properly flush the bowl, then first check the inlet stop. Open the inlet stop fully and check the operation. Check the pipes for any obstruction or corrosion. Water flow rate is dependent on the pressure, so the pipe size, length, and the number of fixtures in the building can all affect the flow rate of each flush. If you found this video useful, hit like. To keep up to date with Repair and Replace, please subscribe. And for the widest selection of parts, low prices, and same-day shipping, explore our website below. Thanks for watching.